What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to another video. And if you want to see how I transform from this thing right here, into the bad bit that you see on the screen, make sure you continue to watch. So yeah, see you in the video. Bye. Mata na minha. Morning. So it is now, the time is, focus now. Anyways, on this side of the time is 8:04, right? Today is Saturday, curfew is 4 p.m. I gotta get my day started because I need to do two things. I need to do my hair and I need to go for drinks. So therefore, I need to get the ball rolling. So this vlog is going to be I don't know, a hair day in my life.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But that's what we're gonna call it. So I got this wig from Amazon. From this company called Jaja Hair. You know when them Spanish people that love, well, I don't know if it's Spanish, and they say ja 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 ja. That's the first thing I thought about when I saw the wig. Yeah, that's not funny, but yeah, anyways. This is the box the wig came in. I can't show the other side because Dirty Customs plastered them entire sticker on the front. On the front where the logo and everything is, not on the back. Retarded, but what comes in the bag is the wig, and the box is the wig, and it is a deep wave 16-inch closure wig. It's a 4x4 wig, and in the box you also have a little flyer with their info on it, their contact information, etc., the social medias. And then we got we got two wig caps, and that's pretty much it. So what the wig looks like. Yes, I already took it out of the box and observed it before I decided to do this video, because why not? So you got this in it, take that off. We got the net that usually comes with the wigs, take that off, and this is what the curls are looking like. They're nice, but do you see my fingers? Run through. And yeah, this is the 4x4 closure. Combs here. Them said pre-pluck. I guess I can kind of see it. So right now it doesn't smell too good. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is wash it. So I'm going to wash it, and then I guess I'm going to blow dry it because I'm gonna have the time to make it air dry. So we're gonna wash it, blow dry it, and come back. Yeah.
Hey seashells, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Shelby. Don't forget to hit that dumbbell, but let's just get straight into it. As you can see, I have a wig here which I am warming up to put on my head, so I'm just gonna go through that process with you guys. So just follow me with my seashells. Okay, so I'm brushing out my hair, you get me? I'm like laying it down so it can fit perfectly in the wig. I use my little toothbrush comb, and I swipe and I zoop. I spray a little water on it to just soften it up. Okay, and as you can see, I have on my favorite wave cap, stocking cap. Yes. So I'm fixing my little sideburns, and I twirl and I twirly, swirly. Understand? And I cover it with the cap to make sure everything is getting processed as much. Yes, and I'm fixing it. And in the meanwhile, do you guys know that barcode as our fish? So anyways, I'm putting on the wig for a fitting, you know, so I can cut out the excess, monopus. I'm putting on the wigs for a fitting so I can cut out the excess mesh, because no, you don't want to have like excess mesh on the wig because that's very scabby. So now I have my little moisturizer. I'm gonna put it on my wave comb brush and I'm going to place it on the edge of the what you call it again, stocking foot. Yes. So give me a moment. Let me just do that. Cue music. Apply more. Oh, this was like a glue. Oh yeah, man. Apply glue and then I turn on my what I call it again. Fuck, man. Oh yeah, blow dryer. Okay, so using my blow dryer, guys. As you can see, this is, I think it's Conair. You can see my ring light coming off it. So I put some makeup on the wig now. I'm putting on some makeup so it can blend in with my skin color. Yes, so here we are again. We're going to cut off the excess mesh. Because remember, guys, we're not scabbies, we're seashells. So yes, I'm going to take my little brush comb wave and I'm gonna press my finger against my head as hard as possible, squeeze out my, what you call that, brain vein, and then I'm going to structure it properly. You know, I'm going to use a blow dryer again to dry it with a glue, not moisturizer, guys. Please don't use moisturizer. Then I'm going to wrap my little wrap tie around my head to make sure it sinks in properly and it glues properly. Yes. Cue music. Okay, guys, I'm going to use my blow dryer again and blow it some more and make sure. Wait, what up on my finger? All right. Anyways, I'm going to put on some roll-on my hair now. So make sure they are laid back and always keep your wig smelling fresh. Cause remember, guys, we don't carry green wig. I'm gonna use a heating iron comb and then going to comb back and just style it a bit, you know, have it a bit stylish. Yes, hold on, let me just do this. Yes, and then I get my little soul comb and then I make a part like Moses. Yes, and then I scrape it down, make the part, put it down, push it down, make the part, put some more roll on. Remember, guys, the wigs have to smell fresh and clean. Use the hot iron brush to make sure the roll-on is seeped through thoroughly in the hair. Okay, guys? Yes, it burned me. Sorry, ouch. Alright, continuing. Yes, I'm going to make up about 3 parts in my hair now because I'm putting roll-on everywhere. I've been doing this for the past 2 minutes, still on roll-on. You understand? I still have the hot iron curl brush. Yes, ooh. Yes, and then I get the tresemme, the tresemme seeds, tresemme cream. Then I rub it in, it give off a little shiny look, a more natural look. You know what I mean? I shake it up, I put some more. What is that, mousse? Is mousse? It's not mousse, okay. Oh, it's mousse, yes. Okay, so I get the tresemme mousse. And I put it at the end. I spray some water at the end to get the hair a little, you know, woken up, a little fresh and easier to comb through. Put some more mousse in my hand, rub it, put it in my hair, put it in the wig, sorry, and some more mousse, enough mousse. Yes, and then I take off the setting rag silk shit. Let me zoom in a bit. Yes, and we're getting ready to cut off the excess mesh because remember, guys, we're not scabbies, we're seashells. Okay, and then let me just cut, clip, cut, clip, clip, cut, clip, cut, clip, cut, clip. Yeah, you have to be careful of the follicles, guys, because you don't want to get that iron in your follicles. Understand? I know people say you must take iron, but not like this, guys. Okay, so I put some more glue to make sure it's glued in with my hairline. Then I use my comb brush thing and I comb through the glue. Put some mousse. Put some more mousse. I use a tail comb with the iron part, and then okay guys, this is the baby hairs. You understand? You know your girls shells love the baby hairs, so we're gonna take some baby hairs now. We're gonna make it. We're gonna hot iron it. Okay, we're hot iron it for a bit, and I clip some with the scissors. Clip, you clip some, yes, and then clip some more. Let me just get it. Clip. Oh wait, not clip it. Clip. Okay, yes. Wow. Look at me clipping. Yes, and then we'll put some more mousse. This is a different type of mousse, and we'll put it down, and we're going to style the curls. So we'll make a swiggly there. Okay, we'll make a little swiggly there, and then we'll take some more, we'll make a next swiggly there. So right now, guys, as you can see, we're gonna have 2 swigglies. You understand? Little swirl, rub it in, and then put it back on my setting silk rack. And I tie it to make sure the curls are set properly. Then I get the eating iron again. As you can see, guys, this is my favorite iron because I use it about 10 times in the video. Okay, and then I'm looking at you guys. I'm looking at myself. Yes. And I fix it up a bit. And that's it, guys. That's it. Wait, let me just put some finishing touches on the hair wigs. Wow, it looks. Yes, as I can see, guys, it has a very natural look. I can actually see my scalp, no mesh. Then I put some makeup so I can blend in more with my scalp. Hold on, let me just put some more makeup. Soup, sleep, clog. Yes, see that? And then we'll put some more makeup and conceal the rest of the mascara. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and always hit that dumbbell. Peace out, guys. Peace out, seashells.
So this is the end result. This is what the hair is looking like. Of course, I have to do my makeup, you know, give another final look, and I am loving it. I was actually going to cut the hair because like I kind of like how it looked at this length, but now that it's dried a little bit, I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna let it stay like this. Hello? Are you cleaning today? After my wash and take my picture, I think about that. So yeah, this is what I came up with. I am not a wig specialist, let me tell y'all that. I think you guys know that already, but I really love how this came out. Yeah, like it not look too bad. The parts, you know, yeah, too bad. Look at baby hair here. This is my hair. This is my hair because it is a closure and it literally stops right here. But I like how it looks. Like it kind of blends in because my hair is curly and the hair is curly, so it's like it doesn't matter. At least not to me. I don't care. And, you know, the side I don't really care about the side because it's natural. But you know, of course I had to do a one bit. I want to go on this. You see, this is why it's not gonna show. We're just gonna put that back. Yes, I am loving it. I am really loving it. I made it because I like my little fit. Everything just came together. Period. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you order this wig from Jaja Hair on Amazon. I will link all the details to this hair in the description box below. See you guys in the next video. Bye.